I am Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about wireless keyboard and mouse from the brand Chroma. Model number is CRXM5104. So let's get started. This is the wireless keyboard and mouse, and you can see it's completely black in color. The finish is very smooth, it's very light in weight. Plus, if I turn it around, then you can see here you'll be putting the batteries. You'll have to put two AAA batteries, and if you want to adjust the height, you want to increase it a little more, you have these switches, you can pull them. And again, there is slight rubberized grip also here, so that it doesn't move much whether you have kept it on the table or wherever you're using it. Now this is the keyboard, and the range that it offers is 6 meters because it's wireless, so you can easily use it in a room. 6-meter range is there. Plus there are some other features that I'll just quickly tell you, like it's designed for personal and professional use, both the things you can use it. High quality switches with over 2 million clicks. So you won't have a problem even if you use them like 8 to 10 hours in a day, nothing will happen. 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection, ergonomic and comfortable design, and mouse is powered by one AA battery and the keyboard is powered by two AAA batteries. Now along with this wireless keyboard and the mouse, you also get this warranty card. It has a 15 months warranty, and you also get this instruction manual. So if you're using this for the first time and you want to know how to connect this, then everything is mentioned: the product features, the packaging content, the operation, plus if you want to connect it. So connection reprogramming method is also there. If you want to connect the mouse with your desktop, then it's very simple. You just have to plug in the nano receiver into the computer USB port. Then you have to press and hold the escape key and K key for 3 seconds, and then the LED indicator will flash for 3 seconds. So that's how easily you can connect the mouse with your desktop. And also the LED indicator in the mouse also lets you know if the battery is running low, then also you'll get to know. And second, caps lock indication is also given by the LED indicator. Plus you can see this DPI button that is there. You can also adjust it through this button, and these keys, two keys at the sides, they are for forward and backward. So it's again very simple, quite light in weight, smooth finish, black in color, and again the same features goes for keyboard also. The meter range that they offer is 6 meters. And so this was it about Chroma wireless keyboard and mouse, model number CRXM5104. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.